Hey everybody, I'm pretty excited because we're going to be putting together an Alaskan mill today. My dad bought this mill, and what it is it turns your chainsaw into a sawmill. Um, so we're going to be putting that together. It's not assembled yet, but once we get it all together, you'll see how it all works. And this type of Alaskan mill, it's not something you're going to be able to cut a huge volume of lumber with, but what it allows us to do is we're going to be able to cut some pretty large slabs with it. Up to 48 inches is what this mill will do. So we'll be able to make some big slabs for making furniture. So I'm excited to see how this goes and get it all together and try it out. All right, here's what it is. It's got some instructions here. It's gonna look like this in the end. You put your your chainsaw in there. And you can cut something as wide as your saw blade. So it's got tool kit,
metal,
some hardware. This is the handle. All these rails are aluminum. So we got to put this all together. Oh, yes, sure. Well, I got the Alaskan mill set up with my saw in there. Had to make some adjustments here. Right now I'm using this old Stihl 041 AV with a 24-inch bar. And that's the saw that has the longest bar on it that I have working right now. We'll use that to try it out, but I'm going to get a bigger saw to run this with. It'll go out to 48 inches, so we can put a big saw on here. But gonna test it out with this, and even though it's got 24-inch bar, it'll only cut about 20 inches wide slab. So I'm anxious to try it out and see how well it works. All right, we're gonna try to cut this log up with our Alaskan Sawmill. It's a cedar, and that'd be pretty easy to cut. Got all the bark off here, so we're gonna give it a try. Okay, maybe out of gas. So let's see. Yeah, not completely out, but if it turns sideways like that, I need to put a little bit more in there. Okay, we got the first slab cut off. That actually worked pretty well. I wasn't sure how good it was going to work. It's not very fast. Obviously, you're not going to cut a lot of board feet with this. But the nice thing is, I can cut pretty wide, thick slabs with this, and they look really nice. And you can see, I mean, this Eastern red cedar is beautiful. You know, this would make a great coffee table. I'll cut another slab off here and have a nice piece that I can use for something. It's pretty rough, so you know, either have to be left rough or do quite a bit of sanding. But that's how it works. I'm excited that we got to try out this Alaskan Sawmill. So thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless.